Welcome back to Squawk Box. Rising prices at the pump are spurring lawmakers to take action against potential price gouging. Brian Sullivan joins us now with more. Brian, what's going on?
Well, I know you're down in D.C. recently, Andrew. The House is set to vote on a bill that would go after anybody or any company found to be price gouging on refined products like gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, etc. The law would make it illegal for any person or company to sell fuel at a price that is seen as, quote, unconscionably excessive. Now, this would kick in only after a president declares some kind of an energy emergency. So if the bill passed the House and the Senate, who exactly might be at risk here? Well, the bill's text says the priority is to go after companies that sell more than $500 million in fuel per year. So the bill is clearly designed to go after big oil. But the text of the law seems to allow states to go after locally owned mom and pop gas stations. So it's possible that state authorities, not clear who, could go after a single gas station owner if somebody, again, not clear who, determines that that station is charging prices that they deem too high over a certain period. It is unlikely this passes, given you need 60 votes in the Senate. But if it did pass, there's a question about whether or not this would help with prices. The Dallas Federal Reserve has its doubts. In a new report a couple of days ago, Dallas Fed researchers say, quote, even under the most optimistic view, U.S. production increases would likely add only a few 100,000 barrels per day above current levels, forecast rather, and this amounts to a proverbial drop in the bucket in the 100 million barrel per day global oil market. Placing the responsibility to lower retail prices on shale oil producers is thus unlikely to work, and additional regulation of oil producers unlikely to lower pump prices. Dallas Fed, take it or leave it. There is a lot of confusion, guys, out there about how gas is priced. Yes, the price of oil does matter. But it doesn't matter maybe as much as you think. It's just over half the price of a gallon of gas. The rest are things like taxes, transportation, marketing, refining. Now, big oil companies whose profits are soaring, we know that, they actually only own about 1% of America's gas stations. So you kind of wonder, will we have people calling the police on gas station owners who they see raising prices? Unlikely, but under the law, theoretically, it could happen.